Hi everyone, my name is Sayed Wasim, and today I'll be giving a very brief overview of our project building an AI-powered lit review for COVID-19. Before I get started, I just want to acknowledge that there are hundreds of individuals who helped put this project together. Particularly, I want to highlight our leadership team listed below. I think this image on the left from Science Magazine does a great job of showing the problem of our clinicians and scientists drowning in a sea of literature that has been coming out. Our goal was to create a tool to help clinicians and researchers manage the torrent of information coming at them. Now, we didn't want to just create a search engine where we search for whether something is a risk factor or if a procedure is an aerosolizing one or not, and then be given back 100 abstracts to read through. If we wanted to spend all day just reading abstracts, we'd go to PubMed. So we settled on a table format where each table answers one specific research question, and in this case, the extent to which various procedures cause aerosolization and the risk to healthcare workers. So for the table, we find all of the relevant studies for that specific research question, and then extract relevant information, such as study type, type of ventilation, aerosolization, infection risk, and so forth, so that a clinician or scientist at a quick glance can know from a bird's eye view the answer to a specific research question, and then still be able to dive into specific papers to learn more. The way we did this was by sourcing questions from all the following places on the left. We then had our medical and research team create gold standard target tables that in the context of a Kaggle challenge, the data scientist community attempted to recreate, pulling out all the relevant papers for specific research questions and the relevant values such as assay type, study type, a CBC value, whatever it may be for that specific research question. The Kaggle challenge has now ended, and we are actually in the process of grading all of the submitted notebooks. Further, we are in the midst of completing our utility study to learn what the real value of a tool like this actually is. And I just want to end with acknowledge all of the data scientists within the Kaggle community who worked on this project and all of our medical and scientific volunteers who helped make this project come to life. Thank you.